If I gave you 500k Ugandan shillings and I ask you to invest it, would you choose unit trust, Treasury Bills, or Treasury Bonds? Most people pick the wrong one because no one ever taught us the difference. By the end of this video, you will never be confused again. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Becky Brilliant Finance. Here we talk about money in simple and honest way. If you're new here, I'm Becky and we learn how to grow money with peace, not pressure. This is part 2 of our investment series. In case you missed part 1, check the link in description below. And today, we are clearing the biggest confusion in Uganda. Unit trust, Treasury Bills, and Treasury Bonds. They all sound similar, but they are not the same. And choosing the wrong one for your situation may slow your financial growth. Why this confusion exists? Let me tell you the truth. Banks, agents, and some financial advisors throw these words like everyone already understands them. So people just keep quiet, but inside them, they are confused. So they end up putting money for short-term goals into long-term investment, or long-term investment into short-term investment, or even risking investing all their money, all the money they need soon, or leaving money in savings accounts doing nothing. Today, we fix that. What are Treasury Bills are? Treasury Bills are short-term loan to the government of Uganda. So you lend your money to the government of Uganda for 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. You can call it 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. After that time, the government of Uganda pays you back your money, this time round with interest. Treasury bills are very safe, very predictable, and are good for short-term goals. Think of treasury bills like parking your money in a safe place for a few months and getting paid to wait. They are good for short-term goals like school fees you need very soon or emergency money. In the other hand, treasury bonds are also loans to the government, but for long term. Right now, they run from a period of 2 years to 25 years in Uganda. With bonds, they pay twice a year. Every after 6 months, you get the interest, which we call coupon. And at the end of that period, you get back your money, what we call principal. Treasury bonds are safe, steady, and good for monthly or semi-annual income, and good for long-term wealth building. T-bonds and bills' primary goal is fixed and predictable returns. If you want to go deeper to know more about T-bills and T-bonds, check the link in the description. Lastly, unit trust is investment fund where your money is put with other investors to buy diversified portfolio of assets like stock, bonds, or fixed deposit. So instead of buying bonds or stocks yourself, professionals do that for you. In Uganda, unit trust comes in 4 main types. 1. Money market funds. Here they invest in T-bills and fixed deposit. They are low risk and low return. You can get daily interest and you can withdraw anytime you want your money. They are good for short-term goals like emergency fund. 2. Bond or fixed income fund. Here they invest in treasury bonds. They have more returns than money market funds. They have medium risk and they are good for income and medium goals. Most people confuse bond fund with T-bonds. Hope now you know the difference. 3. Equity fund. Here they invest in stock. They have higher returns but with higher risk. They are good for long-term wealth. 4. Balanced fund. This is a mix of bond and stock. They have medium return with medium risk. These are good for people who want to grow their money with less stress. So when someone says, I invest in unit trust, you must ask, which fund? Let me make this clear. T-bonds and T-bills are long-term government securities. You lend your money to the government direct. They are safe and they have predictable returns. You earn fixed interest and you do everything yourself. For unit trust, you give your money to professionals and they manage it for you. They don't have predictable returns. Their returns go up or down, so it's not fixed interest. So here one is direct investing, the other one is delegated investing. So now your question is, which one is right for me? Let's talk real life. Which one is right for you? If you want short-term goals, maybe school fees you need soon, emergency fund, afraid of losing your money, then you go for T-bills or money market funds. If you're building long-term income, retirement, or you want monthly passive income, you want predictable cash, you go for T-bonds or bond fund. If you want to grow wealth, try equity fund. Wondering which one is right for you? The right one for you is only one suitable for your goal. Most people lose money because they put short-term money into long-term investments or long-term money into short-term products. Then life happens. They withdraw early and they lose growth. It's not that investment is bad. It's planning that was missing. Hope now you have clear understanding about T-bills, T-bonds, and unit trust. In part 3, I will show you exactly how to invest in unit trust in Uganda, step by step, even if you're abroad. No confusion, no complicated language, just simple steps. If this video helped you to understand the difference, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends who might have confusion about T-bills, T-bonds, and unit trust. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. See you. Have a good day.